And so it's 6 in the morning, and the rain has started with some wind. Beautiful weather. ये हमारे कंसिस्टेंट दादाजी है जो रोज सुबह चल के दूध लेने जाते हैं. I want a spirit man. Good afternoon. It's around 1:45 and I just woke up now. Got done with my job, night shift. Slept at around 8 and just woke up right now. Gonna have my tea, morning tea in the noon, and then we'll have some lunch. And as you can see, it's been raining. It's been raining since morning. The rain hasn't stopped. And the weather is absolutely wonderful. I'm planning to go out on a drive after a few minutes after having something. Aish. So let's do it. Today I'm literally having a good hair day, man. Like seriously, like seriously, whether it be the beard, whether it be the hair, it is going on so well. And a few months back, I used to have a person in my life who used to snap me. It's like, I'm have a good hair day, and I just don't know. And that was very cute. Ignore this part, but yeah, that was very cute, and I miss that. Okay, so let's have some lunch, and then फिर हम मिलेंगे कि आज के दिन में क्या जैसे मैं बोला कि ड्राइव पे जाने का सोच रहे ड्राइव पे नहीं जाना एक्चुअली थोड़ा सा काम हम कल निकले थे लेकिन मेरा माई स्टूपिड हैज फॉरगॉट टू गेट सम थिंग्स एंड आई नीड टू गो एंड गेट देम नाउ बिकॉज इट्स important. The weather has deteriorated so badly that I had to cancel my plan to go out because the weather is not that good and my family is not suggesting me to go out. I needed to get some things, but those things can be postponed. Damn, that's very scary. पर चले जाते हैं ना खतरों के खिलाड़ी थोड़ा खतरा तो मोड़ सकते हैं मज़ा आएगा. What say? थिंग इज परिवार वाले मना करेंगे और तो सिर्फ भाई चले जा सकते हैं फिर क्या करें. And also for an update, my desk setup has changed completely. So I brought my PC out from dad's room and I will be using this for working now. And my machine will be only used for editing and stuff. So इसका एक झोल हुआ है मेरे साथ. I will make a detailed video about this. And yep. So that's my new setup. And I love toys. I love toys. That's my hot. मेरे Hot Wheels का पूरा एक बॉक्स था पता नहीं मेरी मम्मी ने कहाँ पे खो दिया. Hi, what's up people? And that's my guitar. इतने दिन से बंद पड़ा है बेचारा. Like टाइम ही नहीं मिला. Like after my family tested positive, I did not have any time to do anything. Like I was not even touching my guitar since days because the things were not. You don't feel like doing anything when things are such, and that things can get worse, so you don't feel like doing anything, right? And so I just didn't. So I need to get it out of the box. That its name is Picasso, so I need to get it out of the box and then to set the truss rods, the action, and check if the electronics have been corroded or not because the weather has become moist all of a sudden. So I need to check it and I need to spray and let's see. उसका भी एक वीडियो बनाएंगे. कंटेंट ही कंटेंट है हमारे पास बस हम बना नहीं रहे आलसी वरना 2017 से बना रहे होते हम ये सब. Oh my god, and literally today I'm having a good hair day, man. So yeah, the weather you saw, right? Absolutely amazing, but I'm forbidden to go out. It's around 5 in the evening, so let's have some chai pakoras. Let's watch नहीं फिर ये सारा जो यूज़ किया ना वो सारा पानी में मिल जाएगा, so वो नहीं कर सकते हो. How stupid can someone be? How? So how someone can be as stupid as me, as Sid Mishra? How? That's my laptop bag. ठीक है. अभी इधर मैं अपना इधर पेन ड्राइव रखता हूँ. ठीक है. And few weeks back I went to met one of my very good friend. You can say my elder sister. We met in a camp and she has been so supportive since then. Once I'm talking about you, of course. And so she gave me a Kit Kat. And I was looking for my pen drive, of course, because I needed to transfer the data from my laptop, some few data to my PC. So this is the best option rather than taking out my external hard drive. And look what I found. I found a Kit Kat. She gave it to me with such pure love, but I just did not eat it that day, and I just put it in my bag, and it's been like, oh god, it's been like months. I guess it's been over a month that it is lying in my bag, and I just didn't know. Now I gotta put it in the, sorry Mansi, I will eat it now. Thanks for this. Living in this house since last 6 years, on and off. Like first 2 years I was staying alone here. Then I used to go for lunch and dinner at my old place, and then every one of them shifted here. But this never happened. You can see this. You just imagine the intensity of the rains, man. Awesome. I'm very bad at drawing circles because my life is in circles. But you, weird smile, but smile. Damn. But yeah, bro. Like it's raining cats and dogs, literally. So the weather has been very, very, very humid today. Humid as well as watery, as well as rainy, as well as stormy. So आज के सारे plans cancel करने पड़े. आज हम सिर्फ घर में बैठे रहे. So I'm just enjoying myself with this book. This book is The Great Indian Novel by Shashi Tharoor. My neighbor actually gifted it to me, or you can say he lent it to me, and this is pretty much a very nice book. I will summarize it once I complete reading it. I have just started it, and actually I read a lot of books since last few days. I ordered a lot of books, actually lots of books. One is this Origin of Species. This is a Metamorphosis by Franz Kafka. This book is quite. It's only a 100-page short book. I'll maybe complete it in maybe 2 hours maximum. And this one is, I was waiting for this since a long time. This is The Origin of Species by Charles Darwin. If you guys remember Charles Darwin, जिनको हम सिर्फ साइंस में पढ़े बचपन में, तो उनकी बुक्स भी है. थोड़ा देखते हैं. You guys need to explore in terms of authors and stuff because there is amazing content out there which will eventually, escalate you in a way that you cannot imagine. Seriously. This book is around 600 pages long approximately. Once I get into this, I will let you know how this book was. So coming back to it, आज के हमारे सारे plans cancel हुए. कुछ खास है नहीं करने को. Actually कल का वीडियो में एक गैप रखने वाला था, but गैप इसलिए नहीं रखा because obviously it was out of the storm. So the Taute has been, of course the spelling says Taukte, जो last वीडियो मेरा गलती था, but it is pronounced as Taute. तो the storm has been pretty amazing today. पूरा दिन सिर्फ बरसा है. अभी थोड़ा जाके शांत हुआ. It's around 6:50 in the evening and थोड़ा जाके अभी वेदर ठीक हुआ है. मतलब पूरा दिन बहुत भारी बारिश चला अभी तो. और like later in the day it was the winds were so heavy, dude. Like people who were driving the two-wheelers, they had to stop somewhere and take shelter, or else they were able to drive their two-wheelers properly. So today is 18th of May and according to the forecast कल से मतलब आज शाम से ये जो थोड़ा low tides है ना, वो the air pressure will be exponentially decreasing and it will travel towards the northern side. So it will get over from Ahmedabad and it will travel towards Rajasthan. And so yeah, कल ऐसा कहा जा रहा है कि कल इसका जो effect है बहुत कम हो जाएगा. Still the forecast shows that it will be raining tomorrow as well. And I just had a call with one of our very good friends. He's in Vadodara. To last का जो वीडियो था ना मेरा 2 महीने पहले का, जहाँ पे हम गए थे, तो वहाँ पे तो भाई इतनी बारिश गिरी है ना कि उनके जो सारे क्रॉप्स थे, the cultivations have been damaged due to the rains, and of course they suffered a huge loss. They cultivated sesame as well as cotton. तो कॉटन का तो लास्ट टाइम भी जो ऐसी बारिश हुई थी, प्रॉम्प्ट रेन हुआ था ना इससे भी पहले एक बार, तो वो पूरा उनका कॉटन कल्टीवेशन पूरा बर्बाद हो गया था. और इस बार भी यही हुआ कि उनका जो सेस्मे कल्टीवेशन था जिसको हम तिल कहते हैं, फिर वो भी पूरा बर्बाद हो चुका है. सो वी आर ए कॉल. सो and even in the Talala, we know that, right? This Talala is very famous in Gujarat in a very bad conditions now. So obviously there will be a price hike. But what about the people who suffered a loss? Because no one can do anything in such cases. Not even the government can do anything. Not even the people can do anything because this is completely natural. Of course, the government can provide a penny amount
as per their insurances of damage, but what benefit is it gonna make to those people who have, you know, taken out money from their pockets and put it all into the cultivation of the crops and stuff? The loss that they suffer is something that not even money can you know, compensate, because they have worked hard physically, mentally, they have devoted themselves to cultivating that crop. So that is a completely different thing, right? So yeah, so I hope you guys have been amazing, safe, right? So please be safe. और you know, people suffer, हर एक इंसान, आप जिनसे टकराते हो, जिनसे मिलते हो, कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ से सफ़र कर रहे हैं, या फिर किसी को टेंशन है, कोई अपने ग्रेजुएशन से तंग है, कोई अपने एग्ज़ाम्स के प्रेशर के अंदर डूब चुका है, किसी को वो चीज़ नहीं करनी, बट यू नो सोसाइटल कन्वेंशन की वजह से वो चीज़ वो करना पड़ रहा है उसको. सो just stay kind to everyone, just try to be a good support, right? And them in a way, just be there for them, because the thing is, we as humans, we as a very understanding and intelligent civilization, we are giving up on people so much easily that that जो warmth कहते हैं ना हम, the quotient of happiness, the quotient of affection between the same species has been decreasing. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching it. I am Siddharth Mishra. This is my channel Life Slice It. Adios amigos. Bye.